Most walls will have outlets or switches to install around. They can be a pain if you don't know how to deal with them. Follow these steps to make it a simple process. The first and most important step is to find the breaker for that outlet or switch and turn it off. Don't proceed until you're sure the outlet or switch is not live. Remove the faceplate by unscrewing it. Mark the width of the outlet on the board. Use a tape measure and note the locations of the top and bottom of the outlet. Then transfer them to the board. Now you can create a rectangle based on the width and height of the outlet. Use a drill to create holes in the corners and then cut it out with a jigsaw. Unscrew the outlet from the wall and fit it through the custom hole in your board. After the board is installed, you can reattach the outlet. Screw the faceplate in place and you can turn the breaker back on. See more at ufpedge.com.